Want to know how to log into your Doha bank account? You would want to log into your Doha bank account to pay bills, transfer money, and to access your statements. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to log into your Doha bank account. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open any browser in your device. Here, I'm opening Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Search for the Doha bank login. Now tap on the first search result and this will take you to the official site of Doha Bank. Then tap on the login option at the right side of your screen right above the rates. Here, either you can log into your personal account or your corporate account. Now tap on the login option right beside the personal account. Now you will need to enter your username and password in order to log in. After entering your username and password, tap on the login option at the right side of your screen. So this is how you can log into your Doha bank account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.